Welcome to Floor Sanding and Restoration. Based in London and with over 10 years experience in the industry, we are highly professional floor installation and restoration specialists. We can supply new hardwood and parquet wooden flooring, together with all types of reclaimed timber blocks and planks, to all of our domestic and commercial customers. All our work is fully guaranteed for 5 years and fully insured, and we are members of the Guild of Master Craftsmen, giving you full peace of mind. Why not give us a call today?